injected to my system.
Welcome back to my channel, and you already know what it is. It's the Play by Sephora unboxing video with JC. So this is JC, and obviously, as you can tell, we are about to unbox and see what's in her April Play by Sephora beauty box.
I'm super excited. Away from the body.
She got this in last week, and I was at my mom's, and so she sent me a picture and I screenshotted it, and I'm gonna answer that now.
Okay. So, if you don't know, Play by Sephora is a monthly subscription. It's $10 a month. You get 5 personalized products and 1 bonus product. I heard that it used to be perfumes, and then that now it's foil packets, so I don't really know which one it is, but I guess we'll see because this is my first box ever. This is what it looks like. Stupid. This is what the inside looks like, and they all come with this little pamphlet. Oh, and you get 50 beauty insider points that you bring to Sephora in store and redeem them. Ooh. And then it comes with this, so each month is themed. Oh wait, I don't want to see what the products are yet. Oh snap, I don't know how to do this. Get selfie ready in a snap. So I guess it's about selfies. Alright. Make it snappy. So they each come in this little drawstring bag. It's like, they always describe the material. It's like canvas material, kind of. It's like just cloth, actually. So this must be the foil packet. It is actually 2 of them. That's probably the bonus product.
Yeah.
So, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner, revolutionary weightlessly nourishing hair. Now, color safe, that's what I was looking for. Color safe, silicone free.
Ooh,
it's a perfume sample.
She feels played. That's not perfume, JC.
Okay. And it is Urban Decay Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh, they have 20 addictive shades. This one is SPL. So these are all the shades it comes in. Don't know if you can see. Alright, and then this one's a pink shade. Very, very light pink and shiny.
Look.
Can you see it?
JC.
I already did, but I held it up against this.
Oh, your lips are sparkling.
Alright. I love lip gloss, so.
Oh, shit, it's lipstick.
Sephora brand.
Slay
Rouge Cream. Lipstick. Comes in this little box.
It's cute.
So they are all travel size.
Ooh, that's red.
Oh, I can't wait.
Oh, that's pretty. Is it soft?
Ooh.
Like, is it like a, it's a good formula with me, yeah.
I'm gonna go with this boxed item. Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Philosophy. No one is perfect, but we can all be pure. Exfoliating clay mask. So it comes in this little thing. Okay, I want to feel it.
Is that weird? Yeah.
Oh, it smells good.
Let me smell. It does. It smells like sunscreen.
Can't wait to use. I don't know what kind of sunscreen you wear, but that doesn't smell like sunscreen to me. This is exciting.
I'm so happy. Ooh.
This looks like deodorant.
Deodorant.
Drunk Elephant TLC. Okay, I may say this wrong. Sakari Baby Facial.
It takes away your dead skin.
Oh, it takes away your dead skin.
Yeah, that's what it says. An at-home facial that sweeps away dead skin cells with professional grade ingredients.
Alright, so that's what this is. Huh? Okay. And last item is Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For. No filter mattifying primer and complexion perfector. So it's a primer.
All that.
Yeah.
So it's a primer.
It looks like that. I want to smell it too. I like to smell things. Is that weird? Especially things that are going to be going on my face or in my mouth. It smells good, actually.
Sorry for that noise. A guy
Yeah.
just decided to, you know, drive past on his motorcycle. Let me smell.
So yeah, there's
Oh, it's
that.
holographic, kind of.
No, it's not at all.
It's kind of a holographic.
Okay, so we have all these 6 items actually
5 items. Can you count?
that I really like. Well, I think I'm gonna really like. So I'm happy, and this is what. So the box says, "Love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks. Sephora.com/play." And they have an app, and you can track your package. It's $10 a month plus tax. So over here, it's $10.90 a month. I am happy this month, and this is. I've seen cuter bags on other videos, but this is cute. It says "Make it snappy." Hashtag Sephora Play. So yeah, I'm happy with this. Think it's good? I think it's good. I think this is worth $10.
I think you're gonna like them.
And I'm gonna take lots of selfies after using all these products because that's what the theme is. And I'm gonna look more into them. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Also, this little packet gives you tips how to get selfie ready with a snap. In a snap. How to get selfie ready in a snap. So it has little tips. Choose a red lipstick with blue undertones to make your pearly whites appear even brighter. So that's just one of the 4 tips it gives on here. And it just has some other little cute things. And then it explains all the products in detail. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All of her social media will be linked down below.
Most of it's just JC Dawn. Most of it, not all. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, feel free to go subscribe to hers. It is Kamryn's Vlogs.
And if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, please feel free to go subscribe to hers. It's JC Petty.
Cause Petty's our last name.
Give me a P. Give me an E. Give me a T. T-Y.
I'm Petty all the time.
Bye.
Kamryn just farted. Her channel, then go subscribe to mine. JC Petty. Petty.
I wanted to say that.
And go.
And if you're watching...
Take 2. Take 400.
And if you're watching it on my channel, go subscribe to her.